So you want to get started investing but don't have a lot of money. Well, this is a great example of a deal that one of my coaching students just got accepted in South Carolina. It's owner occupied. It's not the biggest of properties, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,100 square foot, but it is owner occupied. The borrower owes about 18 grand on this deal. They have not made a payment in just over a year. All right, their monthly payment's only $328 a month. It's a 5-year loan. They stopped paying a year ago. House is valued at $69,000. Now, the great thing is my coaching student got this under contract for $7,500 just yesterday. And here's how the deal is going to go. They bought it at $7,500. They can collect up to $18,000, $19,000 in back payment. So if they foreclose, which is what the existing lender is doing, is foreclosing, they're going to step right into the shoes to foreclose. So if they foreclose, take it to foreclosure, their opening bid at the auction is going to be, right at the $18,000 to $20,000. If they get that, they outbid. Guess what? They make over 200% on their 7,500% return. That's pretty freaking good, right? If they don't sell it at foreclosure auction, now it doesn't sell at the auction. Guess what? They take it back and they now have an REO that's worth $69,000, $70,000. That's a phenomenal turn. That's 10 times on their money. The turnaround. Of course, they're going to have to evict and probably have some updates, but they're still going to make a chunk of money. If the borrower comes back to the table and starts making payments, which is what my student wants this borrower to do, like I said, monthly payment of $326.56. If the borrower starts paying on time, their payments, just their existing payments of that's $3,918 a year. That's roughly a 52% cash return on their $7,500 investment. So there's lots of great deals. If you have third-party servicing company to handle the servicing, you've got an attorney to handle the foreclosure. My clients live in New Jersey. This is in South Carolina. I'm not going to name the city because I don't want folks to find it, but it's a great little deal that they're going to pick up. Really, if they got to foreclose, $7,500 for the note, they'll finish the foreclosure. It costs them about $3,000 to foreclose, so they'll be into it for about $10,500. So yeah, if they foreclose, great. They may not have to pay any attorney's fees because the foreclosure's already been started. But in South Carolina, it takes about a year to foreclose. So there's a no-lose strategy to this, whether they get paid off, the borrower starts paying, or they foreclose and take an REO back.